get your magnifying glasses out because today everything is 50% smaller. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a full face of makeup using tiny little miniature makeup. This is smaller than gift set size. Like, do you see this? This is smaller than my nose. I've been seeing this video go around and it looks so much fun. I saw it from Sylvia Gani. She actually inspired me to do this video because it just looks so fun. Like, it just seems so weird and interesting and funny. So I wanted to try it out because I wanted to see if I can do it. Really, it was a challenge for myself to do a full face of glam with this tiny little baby makeup. I'm gonna show you how I got this super full glam with this tiny little newborn makeup. Like, this is so cute. Itty bitty little tiny makeup because it's the small things that count in life. So I thought this was the perfect challenge for me because my hair's tiny, my hands are tiny, and my face is really small. Let's see how this goes. I hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start off by using these tiny little baby Tweezer Man x Huda Beauty tweezers because I didn't realize how bad, like I never get my brows done, I always do them myself. I didn't realize how bad they were. Look at that. That's so much hair. Somebody help me. Most of our little hairs are gone. So do you see my brows look naturally? One is up here and one is down here. And that's just my face, you guys. What to do? Now we gotta fix it. This is why I need brows on the face because I'd be walking around like this all day. All right, so I have 3 different primers. I have the Quick Fix Priming Spray, which I've never tried and I really wanna try this. I have the Professional Pearl Primer, and then I have the regular one. I want to try this one because it's going to give me a lightweight, silky soft pink look. Let me see, hold on. Hey mommers, do you want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
Hello.
All right, well, I'll call you in a little bit. It's supposed to give me like a soft radiance, but still hide the pores. So that interests me because my skin is dry. I haven't even opened it up. It's so small. Like, my nails, look, my nails match. This is a vibe, you guys. Look at this. Shout out to my nail girl. She is amazing. Look at this gradient. If you live in the Orange County area, hit her up, let her know. So I'm gonna take this little baby primer and we are gonna put that in our T-zone. So it comes out like this. I love things that are this color or yellow. I don't like when they're white or peach because I feel like that's just like expected, but when they're pink or yellow, it just makes me happy. I don't know why, it just does. So I'm gonna put this right here where my pores are really loud and proud. And with this, I find you have to push it into the skin. Push it in to those pores, block them up. Don't worry, you'll wash it off later. I know that sounds so bad, and every time I hear somebody say it on YouTube too, they're like, oh my God, that sounds so bad. But it really makes a difference if you just pat it in, lock it in there. So I'm gonna take the Quick Fix Hydrocharge Complexion Prep Priming Spray from Urban Decay. It says niacinamide. Okay, I cannot pronounce that. Coconut water and something with M3. All right, let's put it on our face. We are hydrated. I actually want to get my neck. I don't know why, but I feel like, isn't that weird? I feel like my neck is dry. Baby hairs everywhere. So once that dries down, I'm gonna get into the brows, and I cannot believe I actually found this. It is the cutest little brow thing that I had no idea Ofra made. I don't know if this is full size, but if it is, girl, like this is tiny. So this is the Ofra Semi-Permanent Waterproof Eyebrow Gel in the shade Khaki. And then we're gonna put these brows on because I'm looking crazy, okay? My hands are small, by the way, and this thing is kind of hard to open with these big old nails. It is small, it's like the size of my nose. Oh my gosh, oh my God, it's like painting. I've never used this before. Okay, well, she doesn't have brows, so she's gonna have brows today. We're gonna paint them on. When you have no brows like this, I feel like the perspective of life is different. Not gonna lie, I was kind of weirded out by the color. I feel like that khaki color was gonna be like, it looked like baby poop, like newborn baby poop when it's like greenish brown, but no, this is actually really nice. I really like it. Okay, we have a new favorite brow product. It just happens to be the tiniest little baby ever. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to foundation. The foundation that I have sitting right here is so freaking small. It's so cute. This is the Colourpop foundation, and look how tiny. Like, it is so small. I'm just like comparing it to everything. My nose, this one is actually the size of my lips, okay. It's the size of my eyes, lips, and nose. This is light 70. I'm gonna use this on the tiniest beauty blender of life. This little guy right here. How cute is this beauty blender? It is so cute. I have a purple one too. I'm gonna wet it really quick and I will be right back. So I wet the beauty blender and this is how big it gets. You can just put it on your face like that. I don't remember if this is full coverage or not. I don't remember if I liked it. Actually, I don't know. I don't think I liked it because I haven't used it. And if I don't like something and I try it out, I won't use it again. So let's blend this in. Let's blend this into our face and see how much it covers. If you see me not using something on my channel very often, it's because it's not working for me or something. Update on applying my foundation. I do have to say that this beauty blender is a lot harder. It is like bouncing a rubber ball on my skin. My hand is cramping. All right, so we got our foundation on finally, 2 hours later. Now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow right now. So I have a few minis. It was either the Urban Decay Naked Basics, which is pretty small, the Tarte Flirt Tarte Lip Palette, and then there is the little Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette, which is a little bit bigger, but I feel like I've been doing a lot of like reds and orange colors. So I'm gonna use this one, the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. So we're gonna go into this little baby. Perfect for travel. Obviously all of these things are perfect for travel, but because there's so many different colors in here, you get matte, you get shimmers, metallics. So I feel like this is a good mix for you to have. I don't see a matte brightening color, which is a must-have for me, but we can make it work. So I'm gonna take this color right in the middle, and we're just gonna go straight in to the crease. Okay, so we got our base color on. I feel like this is not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. It's more of like a setting powder for me, but I just put that all the way into the crease up to the brow bone, and now I'm gonna go in with this brown shade in the middle, and we're gonna work that into the crease as well. Go back and forth. I'm gonna take this really dark brown here, it's the darkest brown in the palette right here, and I'm gonna take that on the outer corners, and then we're gonna really glam it up with the black. All right, for the lid, take the silver color right here. I'm gonna put that silver all over the lid, push it into that darker shade, and just make it one happy family. This is giving me like New Year's Eve vibes. Well, these freaking shadows are pigmented. Another really tiny little silver thing that I want to add onto this is this Jouer Funfetti eye topper. It is so freaking small. Look at that. That's tiny. I'm gonna open it up. It's such a pretty little tube. I feel like it doesn't take out much product. Maybe you don't need much. It's called the Ultra Foil Liquid Shimmer Eye Topper. So let's go ahead and put this on our eye. Right on top so it can look extra glittery. I think it's kind of taking off the eyeshadow a little bit because it's kind of wet. Maybe we should just dab it on there. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow as a eyeliner because I feel like we need that, you know? We need that base. So what I'm gonna do is take the black right there with this densely packed brush, and I'm just gonna set it right on the eye. I'm not gonna make like a wing or anything. I'm not gonna even take it in all the way. I just want a base for my lashes because I'm gonna put on lashes. I'm gonna put a little bit down here too just to make it more intense. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna put on some mascara next. This little baby Tartiest Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. Just to let you guys know, usually I'm not a collector of small things. I'm like, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna even travel with it really. Only a few things travel size that I keep. They work the same so far as the full size. Put on some lashes and I will be back for the rest of the little baby things. So I'm back with my lashes. Now I'm gonna put on some concealer. I found this little tiny concealer from Urban Decay. You know, Urban Decay All Nighter is like, that's coverage, like super coverage. I found it in a mini size. I am in the shade medium light warm. So I'm gonna take this little tiny concealer. It doesn't actually look that small though. It's a good size, but this is a mini. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that on my under eyes, and it's not brightening. It's more just like evening the under eyes out with the rest of the face, which I'm not mad at. So I'm gonna do that today. That's the look we're going for. And boom, the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and it is so little mini. It's so cute and tiny. Oh my God, look at the little baby brush. It looks like a little mustache. Okay, so we're gonna take this little baby brush, sweep it in there. I've never been a huge fan of these brushes, but we're gonna try it out today. I don't even know how to use it. So I'm just gonna brush this. Oh my God. That was way more than what I thought it was gonna be. But we're gonna brush this on our cheekbone to transition this contour. Actually, I think we can contour with this too. I'm gonna brush the bronzer all the way up to the temple. Now I can say that this foundation does separate on the skin, so be careful for that. All right, so we have the transition on. Now I'm gonna go into the contour palette. I cannot believe this is a contour palette. This is a face contour palette. It's by Smashbox. It says contour, bronze, and highlight. Now the highlight is definitely a brightening highlight. It's not like a shimmery highlight. I'm gonna take the brightening color with whatever brush fits inside of there. I think this little eyeshadow brush will fit best. The under eyes in place and brighten them up a little bit more. Honestly, like, I get the mini, but this is not very, I mean, this is good when you're like, when you have an emergency, but it is very difficult to fit a brush in there and get it on evenly. Like, it's so tiny. Like, at least make them a circle, you know? All right, so now that we're a little bit brighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use the contour in here with this brush, actually. This is the more ashier tone shade, so I'm gonna take that one and chisel my cheekbones. So I'm gonna take my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Conceited. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is the cutest little highlighter I have ever seen in my entire life. Look at it, it's a little baby, a little newborn. Okay, the only thing is opening these this small with these nails, like, I don't even know. I don't even know how to do this. Oh, here we go, here we go. Ooh, I don't think I've ever tried the shade Conceited. It's more like a neutral, nudie looking highlight, and I really like this one. With my finger, I'm just gonna go down my nose. Every time I put on highlight, I just feel like I'm a glowing goddess all of a sudden in my own head. Oh, my Cupid's bow, a little more. I can't believe I haven't tried this shade. I think it's like my favorite one that I've tried. Like, this is my favorite color. Wow, it used to be Illuminati, but I need to get a bigger size of Conceited because this is really pretty. So now I'm gonna go on to the blush. The blush that I have here is from Tarte. This is a super little tiny blush in Blissful. We're just gonna put it on our cheeks and sweep it back into our hairline. Pink looks really good with this type of eye. This is the smallest freaking lipstick I have ever seen in my life. This is from Tarte. It is the shade Colada. So small, so cute. I feel like this is very neutral, so it'll go. I'm just gonna put that on. It's so weird to hold, because look, my nails can put this on like this. Ooh, this is a very hydrating lipstick. This little bitty H2O gloss from Tarte, just to brighten it up a little bit. This is a good little sample size. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget, I have some videos over here, so watch them if you haven't watched them already. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And before I let you go, I always want to give you a reminder for yourself today. Enjoy the little things. That's all I gotta say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies. A lot of people are asking, I said, let me bring it back.